Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, I just got the new case for my project phone iPhone 5s. And so, without further ado, let's get started. So here's the new case. I'm gonna install on my 5s. Alright, so let's put it here. Here's the new case with bump at the side, transparent. Let's open it. Alright, so here's the case, fully transparent, got the side bump to protect your phone. And now, let's install it on my 5s. Easy. Wow, it looks very cool. Like I said just now, I can see the back one. That's why I chose the transparent case. Wow, it looks very cool, very nice. Wow, so happy with it. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for a new case for my project phone 5s in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.